In this section, we're going to walk through downloading your coMra user guide. Now, we'll go through how to access it and view it and download the PDF version, how to access and use the desktop application version, and how to download the app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Okay, we're going to go through that on here on the computer. And you're going to want to get your coMra user guide because it contains protocols addressing over 200 conditions, and all the PDF and apps are free on our website. So the first thing we want to do is enter coMra-therapy.com in your search bar, and there you go. We have the website. Now you can see the URL up in the corner here. Now what we want to do, let's go to the resources page, and here on the left we have coMra users guides. Now just click on this download your free user guide and it'll just take you down the page. We're going to start with the PDF, so click on the English icon, and we have the user guide here, and we're going to start here in the upper left corner. You're going to notice 3 bars right here. We can turn this side menu on and off. I actually find the side menu quite helpful. This is the small page view, thumbnails. But what I find most helpful is this list view. So you'll see we have section 1, 2, 3, and so on. And you can twirl down into the sub menu. And let's say you want to treat your knees, traumatology 10. You can just go straight to that in the sub menu, and you see it here on the page. Now, next we have here in the middle, if I have a specific page I want to go to, let's say I want to go to Universal 7 treatment, I know it's on page 50, then it takes me straight there, so you can use that menu to navigate. Of course, you can adjust the page size with the plus and minus signs. Also, if you want to view the whole page, this is fit the page, so you can see, and then we can fit the width of the page. I find this one is the one I'm usually looking at, unless I want to see the mannequin. Sometimes to see the mannequin, this view can be helpful. You can see the whole thing. And next, what we'll do here on the right, so this is about viewing, accessing. Now we have downloading. So you can click the download icon, download it obviously. Also, if you just want one treatment, let's say, for example, I want this Universal 7 treatment. I want a paper copy. I can hit print, and instead of pages all, I can go to custom, and I can enter the page numbers. So 50, 51. Now you'll see here when I scroll through in the document, I have both pages of the Universal 7 treatment. Now I can save those to a separate PDF, or I can print them. Okay, just showing you that for more ease of use. And then after the printer icon, we have these 3 dots. These are more things you can do, but they don't pertain to us here. We don't need to look at that right now. Okay, so let's go back to the resources page. And this time we're going to look at viewing and accessing the web app. And this is the same as you're going to see in the phone, but you can look at, let's say, on your tablet, on your desktop. Again, we'll go to knees, so we just type in knee, and we have 2 options. Traumatology 10 for knee joint arthritis. This one here, trauma 14, injury to the knees. We'll just look at that. And it's going to take you through the same things in the PDF. Okay, we have the mannequin here with where to treat. So the points on the body of the mannequin. And the numbers, and those are going to correspond to the table. You know, so 0.1, 2 minutes at 1,000 hertz. Then 0.1, 2 minutes at 50 hertz. Then 0.1, 2 minutes at variable. Okay? And there's other, you see these little plus signs, you can hit those and they're going to show you other sub menus within that. Might be some at the bottom of the treatments depending. This one is about the course. So that's pretty straightforward. Also, if you haven't before, up here where I'm clicking this icon, it'll give you the option to download the app. Now I've done it before, so now it just asks me if I want to open it. This is in Google Chrome. And the app is right here, a separate thing in my dock. You can see it right here, okay? And I can go out of knees. Let's say we want to look at flu. Okay, Immunology 7. So we'll go to Immunology 7 and it gives you some stuff to do for influenza and these kind of things. In the app, now let's look at going to the Apple App Store. Now I'm on my desktop, so it's asking me to open the Apple App Store. To download these on your phone, you're going to need to be in the phone unless you're pretty savvy with the computer, whether that's the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Okay, these are what they look like on the desktop. On your phone, it's a bit different. So let's go over to the phone now. We're in the Apple App Store. Go to the search menu, type in coMra, coMra dash THERAPY, and we'll hit search. Okay, you'll see it right here, coMra Therapy User Guide. And now you're going to download it. And that'll take however long it takes. And now we hit open. So here we are on the cover page of the app. Just click on it right here and select your language. Okay, you go English. And just like we saw on the desktop or online app, same thing. We'll hit knees again. Knee, traumatology 14, same thing. Looks exactly the same. So let's go back here. I want to show you a couple of little things. I will always recommend before you start important notes. So if you ever come in and the language is a bit messed up, let's say for example, everything's in Russian, you click the coMra icon, go to the bottom, you'll always find the English, okay? And you can just go back and there you go. I use the search bar. You can also use protocols and just go through this section. Okay, so we went over the PDF, the online web app, and the phone app. And of course, the Google app is going to be the same as the Apple app that I use for demonstration. In our next video, what we're going to do, we're going to learn how to power up your coMra Pro.